Form Simplicity e-sign is easy to use. Once in the transaction, go ahead and select the forms you would like to have signed electronically. Once selected, select Command, click on e-sign, and create your session. Once the e-sign session is created, you come and you name it. Make sure to add Send All Signers at Once. And to show you, I'm going to go ahead and include myself as a signer. Go ahead and click Next. Add your signers from the address book or add a signer. Every individual that will be signing must have their own email address. Go ahead and add their first name, last name, email. And save. Select your signers and click Next. This will bring you to the Assign Signer Roles. Simply click and select. Once completed, click Next. Select your forms, Next, and start your review. Florida forms have the places for initials and signatures already set up according to who is signing the documentation. But for counteroffers and sometimes additional items are necessary, notice that you can add signature, initial, date, time, form fields, drop-downs, text, strike-through, underlines, highlights, check marks, and more. So check mark, for instance. Let's say that you needed to highlight an item. You would just click Add, strike something through, underline, add text, you can do so. You can also decide if you need to add a signature, initial, or a date and timestamp. Select Who, add the signature. Select again the other person, add the initial, date and time. Come down, add a signature, and continue. Once you have completed your markups, simply come back to the top and click Next. The system will ask you to verify your markups. If everything is correct, click Yes. You will then be able to review the documentation, making sure everything is set and okay, and then click Next. Your customer email is to be prepared. And then you simply click Finish. Your customer will receive an email where it says Review and Sign. They will click through and they will come to a page like this one where they can review their name, draw their signature, select to choose the signature provided, agree to the terms of use, and start. Click the Start button, click through, until their session or part is complete and they confirm that they have continued to complete. And here you have it. Congratulations, your signing session is complete. The customer can download a copy by clicking through and print and save this document that they have signed and initialed. This was our short tutorial on e-sign. Thank you for being a Miami member. Always more with Miami.